want to cook some pork chops?
Yes, I want to cook some pork chops. We're making today, y'all, Jamie's double orange glazed pork chops.
We love pork chops. I love them thick cut. I like them thin cut. I like them fried. I like them baked. I like them barbecued. I like them
I'm with you,
broiled.
son.
I like them grilled. This is a really super simple recipe, and we've got some great citrus flavor going on top of this pork. So, Mom, if you'll get about 3 or 4 tablespoons of oil and about the same of butter, I'm going to salt and pepper these pork chops.
Okay. So you've got fresh squeezed orange juice.
1 cup orange juice and a cup of marmalade. Citrus and pork are so good together.
Yes, they are. All right, I think it's hot enough, son. These are little thin pork chops that Jamie selected, so they're not gonna take long to cook, y'all.
Now we're gonna brown these off. They won't take but a few minutes.
After we get through cooking, what is your Father's Day gonna be like?
In summertime, we're gonna go swimming. He loves to go swimming, and
because
Happy
you
Father's
are
Day.
truly Jack's hero. He thinks his father hung the moon.
Well, I don't. All 3-year-olds.
No. All right, son.
And I'm gonna save all the essence from these chops down here in the pan. And I'm gonna take the orange juice and the marmalade, and I'm gonna put this in pretty hot. This is gonna be a really nice glaze, but I gotta cook it down. It's gonna be a high temperature. Okay, I'm gonna let this reduce down. Mom, if you want to, let's get started with some butter, about 3 tablespoons.
Okay.
You know, one of my favorite things I told Brooke before Jack was born, and I said, you know what's gonna be so sweet is when Jack toddles up to me one day and says, Daddy, Mama said come give her some sugar. That's kind of a thing I started with Brooke. For my second Father's Day, when Jack was a little over 2 years old, you know, he could put stuff together, and on Father's Day, he teetered up to me and said, Daddy, Mama said come give her some sugar. Isn't that sweet?
He is so sweet.
And he made me a little statue at school. Mama, this is a perfect Father's Day meal because it's hearty. We've got the pork, but it's easy enough where the mama and the kids can help make it
Yeah,
too.
the whole family can get in there on this one.
And it's good for you too because we're not frying anything. As our sauce is getting close, I'm gonna put our pork chops back under here.
Oh, you are? Son, this looks delicious. All right, so I'm gonna put, son, just another little piece of butter in for our spinach.
Our pork chops are just about right. Look how beautiful that glaze is on those chops.
Oh, it's just yummy looking. You know, it's so funny when Jack comes in, when they bring him over to see me, the first thing he says when he walks in the door is, Guinea, let's cook. And I thought, now, you know, when my kids were little, y'all, they didn't show any interest in the kitchen except when it was time to eat. And I thought, now, why? Now, why is Jack loving this kitchen? Blood is really, really thicker than water. But then it dawned on me one day why he loves it so much. It's because he sees you cook all the time.
He does, and he watches us on TV.
Here, just, isn't that easier?
Easier.
I remember when you and Bobby were little, for like Father's Day and Christmas, you know, they had no money. They didn't have jobs. They would go to the garage or go to the utility house and take their daddy's tools and bring them in the house and wrap them up.
Gosh, Mama, you know what? I forgot about that. I remember doing that.
I remember y'all going out there and getting his hammers and his screwdrivers, bringing them back in the house and wrapping them up for him. And oh, he would just act like it was the greatest gift in the world. Son, this looks too good.
Is it good? I love citrusy pork chops.
This is so good. Yum. Good, son.
Ooh, happy Father's Day to me.
Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.